Pilates for Beginners. Pilates is a popular exercise system designed to improve physical strength, flexibility, posture, and mental awareness. Developed in the early 20th century by Joseph Pilates, this method has gained worldwide recognition for its effectiveness in promoting overall fitness and well-being. For beginners, starting Pilates can be both exciting and challenging. This video drills into an in-depth understanding of Pilates, its benefits, basic principles, essential exercises, and tips for beginners. What is Pilates? Pilates is a form of low-impact exercise that focuses on strengthening muscles while improving postural alignment and flexibility. It emphasizes core strength, controlled movements, and proper breathing techniques. Unlike high-intensity workouts, Pilates is gentle on the joints and suitable for people of all fitness levels. Benefits of Pilates. Pilates offers a myriad of benefits, making it a valuable addition to any fitness regimen. Some of the key benefits include: improved core strength. Pilates exercises target the deep abdominal muscles, leading to a stronger and more stable core. Enhanced flexibility. Regular practice increases flexibility, particularly in the back, hips, and shoulders. Better posture. Pilates emphasizes proper alignment and posture, which can reduce the risk of injury and alleviate back pain. Increased muscle strength and tone. Pilates helps build lean muscle mass, improving overall muscle tone and strength. Greater body awareness. The focus on controlled movements and breathing enhances body awareness and coordination. Stress reduction. The mindful nature of Pilates can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Improved balance and stability. Pilates exercises enhance balance and stability, which is particularly beneficial for older adults. Rehabilitation and injury prevention. Pilates is often used in physical therapy to aid in rehabilitation and prevent injuries. Enhanced athletic performance. Many athletes use Pilates to improve performance and prevent injuries by strengthening the core and increasing flexibility. Overall well-being. The holistic approach of Pilates contributes to overall physical and mental well-being. Principles of Pilates. Pilates is based on 6 fundamental principles that guide the practice and ensure its effectiveness. Concentration. Focus on each movement with full attention to enhance body awareness and precision. Control. Perform each exercise with controlled movements to maximize benefits and reduce the risk of injury. Centering. Engage the core muscles, or powerhouse, which includes the abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Flow. Execute movements smoothly and gracefully, maintaining a continuous flow throughout the exercise. Precision. Perform each movement with accuracy and attention to detail to ensure proper form and alignment. Breath. Coordinate breathing with movement to enhance the effectiveness of exercises and promote relaxation. Getting started with Pilates. For beginners, it's essential to start with a basic understanding of Pilates principles and exercises. Here are some key steps to help you get started. Choose the right environment. Create a comfortable and quiet space for your Pilates practice. Ensure you have enough room to move freely and use a mat to provide cushioning and prevent slipping. Find a qualified instructor. Taking a class with a qualified Pilates instructor can provide valuable guidance and ensure you practice safely. Look for instructors with proper certifications and experience in teaching beginners. Start with the basics. Familiarize yourself with basic Pilates exercises and techniques. Here are some fundamental exercises to get you started. The 100. A classic Pilates exercise that warms up the body and engages the core. Roll-up. A movement that strengthens the abdominals and increases flexibility in the spine. Single leg stretch. An exercise that targets the abdominals and improves coordination. Double leg stretch. A challenging move that engages the core and promotes full body coordination. Scissors. A dynamic exercise that strengthens the abdominals and stretches the hamstrings. Plank. A core strengthening exercise that also enhances stability and balance. Tips for beginners. Start slow and listen to your body. It's essential to start slow and be mindful of your body's limitations. Avoid pushing yourself too hard and respect your body's signals. If an exercise feels uncomfortable or painful, modify it or skip it altogether. Focus on form and alignment. Proper form and alignment are crucial in Pilates to maximize benefits and reduce the risk of injury. Pay attention to your body's alignment and make adjustments as needed. Use props. Pilates props, such as mats, resistance bands, and small balls, can provide support and help you achieve correct alignment in exercises. Don't hesitate to use props to make exercises more accessible and comfortable. Establish a routine. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of Pilates. Try to establish a regular practice routine, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Consistent practice will help you progress and deepen your understanding of Pilates. Create a comfortable and quiet space for your practice. Choose a location free from distractions, with enough room to move freely. Use a mat to provide cushioning and prevent slipping. Wear comfortable, breathable clothing that allows for a full range of motion. Avoid clothing that is too tight or restrictive. Drink plenty of water before and after your practice to stay hydrated. Avoid heavy meals right before practicing Pilates. Incorporating Pilates into daily life. Morning Pilates. Starting your day with Pilates can set a positive tone and boost your energy levels. Consider incorporating a short Pilates routine into your morning routine to wake up your body and mind. Pilates for stress relief. Use Pilates as a tool for stress relief and relaxation. Practice calming exercises, deep breathing, and mindful movements whenever you feel stressed or anxious. Desk Pilates. If you spend long hours at a desk, incorporate simple Pilates stretches and exercises into your workday. Evening Pilates. End your day with a gentle Pilates practice to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Focus on relaxing exercises and deep breathing to calm your mind and body. Family Pilates. Pilates can be a fun and beneficial activity for the whole family. Common misconceptions about Pilates. Pilates is only for women. One of the most common misconceptions is that Pilates is only for women. In reality, Pilates is beneficial for everyone, regardless of gender. Many male athletes and fitness enthusiasts incorporate Pilates into their routines for improved performance and recovery. Pilates is too easy. While Pilates may appear gentle, it can be quite challenging, especially for those new to the practice. The focus on controlled movements and core engagement can make even simple exercises demanding. You need special equipment. While Pilates equipment, such as the Reformer or Cadillac, can enhance the practice, they are not necessary to start. Many Pilates exercises can be done on a mat with minimal props. Pilates is only for dancers. Pilates was indeed popularized by dancers, but its benefits extend far beyond the dance community. People from all walks of life can benefit from Pilates, whether for rehabilitation, fitness, or general well-being. Pilates is a versatile and accessible practice that offers numerous benefits for beginners. By starting with the basics, understanding the principles, and practicing consistently, you can experience the transformative power of Pilates. Remember to listen to your body, focus on form and alignment, and enjoy the journey. Whether you're seeking physical fitness, mental clarity, or stress relief, Pilates can be a valuable addition to your daily life. Embrace the practice with an open mind and heart, and discover the many ways Pilates can enhance your well-being. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.